thanks for checking this out, Lost Mines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and look for a mine.
The bottom there, Jason?
Yeah, it's not very deep.
Turkey base still out now.
In a minute, yeah. Oh, this is feeling good down below.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's why you say that.
It's a lot more compacted. It's been there a lot longer. It means many more years for stuff to accumulate.
Right. Oh yeah, that's a lot more compact.
It's quite deep, isn't it?
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, we're getting to the decent material there now.
That's the stuff.
You're seeing bits of quartz in it as well.
It's getting, is your pan not getting too deep there, too high?
No, well I'm in the sieve at the moment, and the classifier.
Right, right.
So I'll soon shake all that, and I'll still have 3/4 of a pan probably. I might have to do another pan of the turkey baster in a minute.
Do this one first.
Get the water in. I'll go in this pool up here.
I can ask you if you're excited now.
Oh, I'm loving this. This is amazing. This is amazing.
Awesome.
There you go.
But
River rocks in
it's
there.
not river rocks, it's just tailing pile rocks that have been in the stream for a while, I should think.
Oh yeah.
And you've got a bit of white elephant there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Clean.
Pan that now.
This is Asian panning, how they do it in Southeast Asia.
Alright.
And places like that, they swirl, they've got a tear pan, different shape. I still go to conventional when I get down. There you go. Over here. So that white bit, it's a little bit heavier than everything else.
Two of them there.
That rock at the top's the heaviest thing, I don't know what it is.
Is it a nugget of zinc?
It is.
Yeah, it's a nugget of zinc.
How about that? So you might use turkey base.
Get the turkey baster on the last bit, and that's where there'll be real heavies, if any.
It's not ready to focus. Yeah. Zinc is always found in that one.
So we're going to turkey baste the hole. Oh, it was compact, wasn't it? Wow. And is it again like all smooth down there, like
Yes.
like a bowl?
Yep.
Yeah.
It looks like turkey stuffing juice as well.
That's a hell of a tool, that, isn't it?
Works perfect. You could buy proper ones for the job, but it's basically the same thing.
And cost a fortune.
Yeah, this cost me a £5, and it's got a nice, you pick one with a nice bulb on the end.
Yeah. a plunger pump would work as well, wouldn't it?
Well,
Drain-
we have bigger versions, don't we, made out of a drain pipe?
Yeah, you make them yourselves, don't you?
Yeah.
I found a really cool pump in an abandoned mine not long ago. It was a tripod with like a Victorian well hand pump on it, with a flexible hose dangling in the middle. So you basically plonk the hose into whatever sump you want to de-sump, and you just pump it out.
Wow. That's cool. Here we go again. Quick.
Elephant.
Yes.
Yeah, nothing very interesting, just slate, isn't it?
Yeah.
And,
You always check your...
yeah, I mean, if you're in an area with big nuggets, that's where your biggest nugget would be. In my dreams. Set up a panning station in your museum.
Yeah, good actually.
Just have a shop with some water in and
Yeah. You can buy bags of play bit, can't you?
Yeah.
That people can use.
yeah. In the dollar coffee they just use pyrite.
Do they?
Yeah.
Here we go. The reveal. Big chunk of green.
Gleaming at the top, yeah, look at that.
What's the other bit? That's zinc again. Oh, what's that? What's up?
Yeah. No gold on this hill, boys.
Plenty of lead and zinc though.
Thanks for trying though, Jace.
Yeah.
You've got to check Jason's channel out, All Prospector. Link will be in the description. And an awesome channel as well. Give him some support, he needs it, you know. It's an up and coming channel and it's very good, very interesting.
Meanwhile, we're going to check out a level that we've just found over there.
Yeah, let's go. There it is, the Herald Moth.
Very nice.
Yeah. We're back underground. Jason's gone off to set up his gold sluicing.
We'll try and find it later on. He's going to be down the bottom somewhere, isn't he?
Yes, so we're coming back to finish our video off.
Yeah. Cast your minds back a couple of weeks and you may remember the waterfall mine, and due to the significant amount of rain we had, we couldn't go through the waterfall to get to the other side. So today we're going to address that issue and we're going to go through the waterfall and see what we can find El Dorado on the other side. And then we'll catch up with Jason later on then, hopefully.
Yeah. So when we were here last, our voices didn't echo like this.
Oh yeah,
Because of that, probably because of that rumbling.
Yeah, and we heard the weird noises, do you remember?
Yes.
We were standing there, we heard like what sounded like kind of female voices.
Yeah, it
was weird.
A few people pointed that out actually.
Did they?
Yeah.
You could hear it there. The camera did pick it up.
It's quiet today.
It feels weird without the rumbling, doesn't it?
My hands are so cold from that river.
Let's listen.
It's a mere trickle.
That's incredible. By now we were hearing it thundering last time, weren't we?
So you and Lois stood underneath it.
Yeah.
I took that amazing photo.
And that silhouette shot of the server standing underneath it. See how well washed the floor is though.
Very well washed. Maybe Jason should pan this floor.
Yeah.
Maybe all the corners.
All the bits of grass and stuff that have washed in.
So this has come from the shaft above.
Yeah. So the stream, the whole stream goes down through this mine. Not the stream we were in a minute ago, but another tributary goes down into the stope and down into this level and then drains out through this level. That's why all the water is flowing. This is basically the entire stream. So it's functioning as a subterranean waterway carrying the tributary from the tops of the hills down into the main stream, down to the river.
This is nice. Oh yeah. The colours. Oh, I don't really get past it. I can hear it again.
I can hear it. We might get a bit wet.
Look at them colours. Wow.
Look at the size of the height of it as well. So this is that, you might remember, this is the hanging wall
Yes.
of the load. The leading side of the vein, the footwall, is very ill defined over on that side.
So explain hanging wall and footwall.
So in every load, every vein that we see underground, properly called a load, shouldn't call it a vein, every load is bounded on each side by country rock, which is basically this normal rock, unmineralized rock. A lode is just a mineralized fracture running through the country rock where magma formerly condensed millions of years ago to form the metal ore in the lode. So the hanging wall is the country rock which butts up to the lode on one side, because they're not quite vertical, they're just like this. The hanging wall is the country rock wall that bounds up to the lode on one side, and the footwall is the other. And if you stay there and look at this, that is a footwall. See that?
Yes.
That's the footwall, and that's the hanging wall. And up in the roof, there's the vein, there's the lode.
Yes.
So it's in between the footwall and the hanging wall. All of this zone, this fracture zone in the middle, is the lode, which is what the miners were following, which is where the metal ore occurs.
And you can see the lode there.
Yeah. There's not much in it right now.
No.
So that's why they haven't spoken yet.
And we can hear the waterfall. Not as powerful as last
It
time.
doesn't sound quite so vicious as it did last time.
It's very slippy.
Yeah.
Cactus timbers
There we
again.
go. So where the lode does come to, this is what they've done. They're calling it right up there.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome. We couldn't see it properly last time.
All the mist.
All the mist from the water. Look at that. And there's still no chance of going under it without getting soaked.
No, so it's good stuff, I think.
Whether run very fast or chicken out. I don't have a waterproof coat. Here we go. So I'm going to get rather wet here. Oh, wasn't that bad?
Nah.
That was fun.
How about that then? So we were standing up there last time, weren't we?
We were, yeah. That's amazing. That is amazing.